Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Canva look good. First, let's talk about layout. A well-structured design is crucial for readability and visual appeal. Think about how your elements are arranged on the page. Use Canva's guides and rulers to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Consistent spacing creates a professional and organized appearance, making your design much easier to understand and enjoy. This foundational step sets the stage for all other design choices. Next, let's dive into color and typography, two powerful tools for visual impact. A cohesive color palette, usually 2 or 3 main colors, creates a strong brand identity and prevents your design from looking cluttered. Similarly, selecting readable fonts that match your message is key. Always ensure there's enough contrast between your text and background so your message is clear and accessible to everyone. These choices significantly influence the mood and professionalism of your design. Now, let's enhance your design with compelling visual elements and strong branding. High-quality images and graphics are essential for capturing attention and conveying your message effectively. Don't be afraid to use icons and shapes to break up text and add visual flair. Most importantly, maintain consistent branding across all your Canva creations. This includes using the same colors, fonts, and logos, which builds recognition and strengthens your overall visual identity with every piece you create. Finally, it's time to refine and polish your Canva design. A common mistake is including too many elements, so simplify and remove anything that doesn't serve a clear purpose. Less is often more. Always seek feedback from others. A fresh pair of eyes can spot things you might have missed. Once you're happy, export your design in the correct file format, whether it's a PNG for web or a PDF for print, ensuring it looks its best wherever it's shared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.